Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can use Sora 2 in Artlist, okay? If you have been following the AI beta revolution, you know that Sora 2 is the current king of realism, but using it can be a headache unless you're using it inside Artlist, alright? So Artlist didn't just add like Sora 2, but they integrated it into their entire music and footage ecosystem. This means that you can get world-class physics, native sound effects, and most importantly, a commercial license that actually protects you. So I'm going to give you an exhaustive tutorial on how you can use that. First of all, guys, you need to log in your Artlist account. And you're going to need actually like paid plans. So you're going to need like, for example, a Max Pro, an AI suite, or business plan to can access these models, okay? Because you're gonna need credits for this, so keep that in mind. Now you're basically gonna go to the AI toolkit icon as you can see here. That's gonna allow us to use any kind of AI tool, all right? Whether it's image, video, anything really. And now you basically want to go for video, okay? You have image, you have voiceover, you have music, you have video. So just select the video, okay? Now this menu is gonna appear, and that's gonna be like your command center, basically. You're gonna see different options in here, but the most important for today is the mode. As you can see, the default mode is actually Clean 3.0, but we're gonna click on the menu drop down here, and we're gonna have multiple choices. You can see, like we have the Clean, the BO 3.1, like the Grok, all of them pretty much, okay? But I just want you to focus on the Sora options, which are these two here. So you have two choices. You have Sora 2, which is just the standard version, and it's gonna be incredibly fast and perfect for 720p social media clips or B-roll. And then you basically have like the Sora 2 Pro. This is best for perfectionists, okay? It's gonna offer 180p resolution, better word state consistency, meaning the objects are not gonna disappear randomly, and the most advanced physics simulation available. So if you have the credits, I definitely recommend you go for this, okay, guys? So select this. Great. Now, we're not gonna just describe the subject, we're gonna use the action lighting camera formula. Okay, so the action is gonna be like a realistic golden retriever running through a field of tall grass. Okay, this is gonna be like my action, what's going on the screen. Now you're also gonna have your lighting, which is gonna be golden hour sunlight. Okay, and we're also gonna include long shadows, lens flare, and the camera, which is going to be a tracking shot at a low angle, and we're going to select, let's say, cinematic 35mm lens. Okay, guys? So that's going to be our complete prompt. That's going to look beautiful. And then if you want absolute concluse or absolute control, you can use image to video. So you can select your start frame and your end frame. Okay? So maybe you generated like an image with artificial intelligence, and you can add this as your star and end frame images to kind of ensure consistency. Now you also need to select your aspect ratio, which is going to be 16:9 in the case that you're doing like a YouTube and film, or 19:16 for TikTok and Reels. Okay. Also, you have your duration, which can be up to 12 seconds. And finally, guys, you have your resolution, which can be like 180p at the most. Okay? So yeah, and audio is going to be generated automatically. So if you don't want it, you're going to have to silence the video later on in post-production. But yep, that's pretty much it, and you can just click on subscribe now. But you can also click on auto prompt to kind of improve this prompt a little bit, okay? But most of the time, that's not going to be needed. And the good thing about it is that this license is going to be covered under your Artlist license. So this is huge because you can basically use this for commercials or anything like that, okay? So yeah, just click on subscribe and you're gonna get your video in a couple of minutes. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.